Let's go, look. Oh, look, catch Big Sam, cause Big Sam's exercising, you know. It's not a joke, you know. It's not a joke.
He's getting ready for the food.
All right. It's not a joke. Look, all right, look at this. The pumpkin goes in.
Are we active? Oh shit, we're active. Hey, we're outside, you know. Wait, where's that ringo bridge?
Make it order. This shit's gone viral. Everything filmed. Just make it order.
Add this back into the pot now, everybody, yeah? Yeah, man. Into this amazing reddish type of color, everybody. But you understand, people, as it dilutes into the water now, it will just blend in. So what we're gonna do is gonna make this one boil out, people, yeah? Big up yourself, you don't know what I want. More turnip. Enough food in the cup, people, yeah? Alright, so the bridging, you know?
I'm going up top, man. Mad. We want to see the Antonio there, you know.
Yeah, alright, respect, Papa. Oi, people, look, I told you that we're gonna be active, we're gonna be outside and be doing the right thing, people, yeah? So a good vibe. So look, I'm at the oldest market here in the UK. It's based in Croydon, people, yeah? London, a good vibe. So look, today we are gonna cook a pot of soup, people, today, yeah? And we're getting the ingredients them here from the oldest market in the UK. So good vibes here. They're covering all ranges of fruits and vegetables from all around the world. And my guy that I come to here at the market is Joseph. I've been coming to Joseph for more than 10 years onwards, people, yeah? So our good vibes, big up Joseph. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna show you a bit of the fruits and vegetables and the different fruits and vegetables that you have from around the world before we start cooking, people, yeah? Big up yourself. I hope you enjoy this one. My name is Ringo. Welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen. It's our good vibes. We're there, locked in. We're at the oldest market here in Croydon, Surrey Street Market, people, yeah? Have a look. The market. So here we've got breadfruit. Breadfruit is one of them ones there, people, yeah, that you can either boil it or you can either roast it, yeah? So if you was gonna roast the breadfruit, you basically would not cut it really and truly, yeah? You'd roast it in the skin. You understand, people, yeah? And if you was gonna boil the breadfruit is one of them one day where you cut out the heart, and this is the heart of the breadfruit, people, yeah? So you cut out that, you peel off the skin, and then you boil it like a yam or like a potato, people, yeah? Yeah, man, the breadfruit, you can boil it, you can roast it and fry it, or you can boil it and fry it, people, yeah? Big up yourself. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Cut. All right, we've come across a next. This one's called the jackfruit. This one's a very expensive fruit, people, very rare. It's got a very rough skin on it as well, like coming like dinosaur, almost coming like crocodile skin, people, yeah? But yeah, man, the jackfruit, if you haven't yet ever seen a jackfruit, this is the jackfruit, people, yeah? We're down here, sir, by Joseph's stall, a lot of fruits and vegetables. So today I'm going to be getting some ingredients to be cooking a pot of soup. So we've got the yellow yam, we've got the cocoa, we've got the cassava, we've got the sweet potato, we've got the white yam as well, people, yeah? We've got turmeric over here, and we've also got some ginger. Good vibes. The market actually opens from 4 a.m. in the morning, and everybody starts to line up their stools, you understand, for the working day ahead. Yeah, man, we're here. Surrey Street Market, Croydon. So, yes, everyone, so yeah, man, so we're just walking through the market quick and fast. All right, so I'm just basically today at the market, I'm just dealing with straight fruits and vegetables, them, people, yeah, for the food that we're going to be cooking. So yeah, man, our good vibes, big up yourself. We're fully active again outside. The weather has completely changed in England. It's not as cold as before. So if you look around, we've got a bit of grey sky, Sedway, but we can work with that. As long as it's not piping down with rain, it's not freezing cold, we can work with the temperature of being outside for quite some time to be cooking, you understand? Yeah, man, as again, I show you, say, every stall is dealing with fruit and vegetables, people, yeah? Yeah, man, over here, so right now, look, next stall, we got the white yam people, yeah, the puna yam, so good vibes. And look, with past Shasta as well, there's a next stall right here. They're dealing with fish, be a different type of fish as well, people, yeah, so you know, so you can come to the market and get anything really and truly to deal with the food, from your fish, from your meat. We're gonna pass the butchers around the corner as well. So a good vibe. Big up yourself, man. 24-hour kitchen, outside, Surrey Street Market. You can do your own local research and check it out yourself as well, people. Yeah, based in the heart of Croydon. Yeah, man. A good vibes. Right. Yes, everyone. Wagwan, we're there. You're probably wondering, yeah, what am I doing with shopping baskets and what's inside of here and what have I got in my bag and what have I got in my rucksack. Alright people, welcome to 24-hour kitchen, yeah. We just left the market. Big up Joseph, everybody, yeah. We left one of the oldest market in Europe, people, that's been there for more than 100 years, 150 years. Yeah, we was just on the Surrey Street Market, but we're right now at a location, people. Look at this. Good vibes. Come in, Sugar Pea. No. Bring the camera in. Come in. Everybody, look. You haven't got any cooking programs in the last few months, yeah? But I'm active again, people. Back in action, yeah? Today, on the menu, we have got All right, everyone. So look, I've set up the shopping basket, yeah, which is actually gonna be my stand to put my stove on, everybody, yeah. And then also I've got like my surface to hold my ingredients, them also as well, everybody. So we've got the kitchen that's gonna go on top of here. Cause the kitchen is like the top, the head of the house right now, people. Yeah, the kitchen, yeah. All right, good vibes. Yes, people, so just while I go on, look, this is a simple thing, everyone, here. So look, I've got my gas stove here. You hear that? So I want to show you that. Look, we've got a flame. 1 second. That is it. So we've got a flame going, everyone. Good vibes. Big up yourself. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen, people. You don't know where I'm going. We're there. I'm Ringo Vision. You're locked in. You ain't seen me for a little while on the program doing some cooking. Come in and see the pot. I want them to see the pot. Look. Wow. Look at this. Good vibes, isn't it? That is it. Alright, people, yeah. So look, just a quick explanation. Today on the menu, what I've got on the menu today, yeah, we're gonna be cooking some healthy vegetable soup. Jamaican vegetable soup. Why? Because we're using the ingredients them today, yeah, of the yellow yam. We're using the dasheen as well, people. Yeah, if you don't know what dasheen is, it's one of the root vegetables as well, everybody. And also we've got the cocoa. The cocoa is also a root vegetable as well. Yeah, man, a good vibes. All right. So look, also out and about with me today on the journey, everybody. We now left that one, yeah. The all-purpose seasoning mix, people, yeah. Don't forget that this is online. It's ready. It's active. You can get this one, people, yeah, anywhere you are on the road. Yes, quick and fast, people, yeah. Send me an email. All my details are running across the screen, people, yeah. At me. You understand? If you want to order one of these, These are actually going for £5 per bottle. That is it. All right. We also got the pumpkin, things that I run. We got pumpkin on the menu. Yeah, we got carrot, we got scallion, we got garlic, we got ginger, we got thyme, we got okra, scotch bonnet pepper, and we have the turnip. A good vibes, people. So look, the water's been in the pan. We're just gonna wait for it to start bubbling up, and then we're gonna start peeling our ingredients, people, yeah? Big up yourself, thank you very much for coming through on the program today, people, yeah? Don't forget to do what? Do the right thing. I've got some friends around with me today, people, yeah, but we'll soon interact in a little while, yeah? Big up yourself, you don't know what. Yes, people, so I'm out here with the man, them, you know?
Come on, you ready?
Yeah, man,
Hey, catch me slipping. He thought I dyed my hair.
Wow. I know you guys can hear the birds singing to us. The birds are singing to us, people, yeah? All right, back to the business anyway, yeah? We are actually in a motion of cooking, everybody, yeah? Big up yourself, man. We're there on 24-hour kitchen. You see the bubble is starting to ferment in the pot and start to rise up. So you don't know, say, our water is getting hot and our stove is fully working, people, yeah? Look at that, wow. All right, the first ingredients that we're going to be using today, everyone, yeah? Look, hygiene is most important, especially if we're outside and we're cooking. If you haven't got enough water around with you, like we don't have a lot of water, but we got the Ringo Vision jug today. So we've got the Ringo Vision water bucket. But you understand, it's portable. So at the same time, we're wearing some gloves today, people, yeah? All right, hygiene. First ingredients going into our pot, people, yeah? We're cooking a vegetable soup. I just want you to watch the process. Let's go. Welcome in the kitchen, people, yeah? The action is ready to begin. Good vibes, look. So a simple process, you know. Look at this, a simple process. Look, the water is, you understand, people? Now this is actually, I'm actually glad to actually be out here, everyone, yeah? Welcome back to the outside adventures, people, yeah? We was at the market earlier on. You see, I'm showing you the market, Surrey Street Market. It's one of the oldest market in Europe, people, yeah? And it's one of my local markets. And I didn't even know that it was one of the oldest market until recent times. But this is where the ingredients them come from, people, yeah? Because they have all imported things from all over the world. Yeah, man, and me and some hygiene there, I said, you know. Yeah, man. Look, spin on the camera and show people them. Yeah, man, we're there, man. A good vibes, a good vibes. Papa, what one?
We're there, man.
International. Global Cake Open. Just came back from Canada not long ago. Yeah. Going to Dubai. Africa, we coming. Japan, we coming. China, we coming. Iraq, we coming. Afghanistan, we coming. Global Gate Open.
Alright, so look, we're dealing with the pumpkin, everybody, yeah? So first of all, yeah, I'm just going to be peeling the skin of the pumpkin. Can you come in a little bit closer, yeah, so that you can see, say, the pumpkin now, yeah, is important. It's an important ingredient to what we're going to be making today, everybody, yeah? The pumpkin is so important that it's actually going to be the one that's going to be giving the colour that we're looking for. You know that redness of that soup? That's what we're going to be using, because as you can see that we have no artificial ingredients that we're going to be using today, people, yeah? Nothing. This is an organic soup, vegetable soup, people, yeah? Power. Build up your structure, build up your body, boost your immune system. You don't know what going on inside of the environment, people. Good vibes. Alright, everyone, so look, we've got the okra, yeah? So on the okra, what we'll do is take the ends off. Both ends, top and also the other end as well, people. On the menu as well, that's going to be one of our flavour enhancer. We now cook known food here without the Scotch bonnet pepper, people. Come on, we can't live out the Scotch bonnet pepper. It's an important ingredient to our thing right now, yeah? Alright, so let's go, look. Oh, look, catch Big Sam, cause Big Sam's exercising, man. It's not a joke, you know. It's not a joke.
Food, yeah?
He's getting ready for the food.
Alright,
Ready for food.
it's not a joke. Look, alright, look at this. The pumpkin goes in. Yeah, man, come in so you can see this, everybody. So I want everyone to see what I want. So yeah, man, see it there. All right, so we've got the pumpkin in. So what I'm gonna start to do, yeah, instantly, we're gonna start to add some garlic, because these are the things now, yeah, to also start building our flavors. You understand, Wets? Yeah, man, we just go and build the flavors. So we just start stripping some garlics and just cutting up some garlics while the pumpkin is boiling, because we want the pumpkin to actually boil into like the texture, so that we can get into like a mashed potato. You understand, people? Yeah, man. So come in. Look. Yeah, man. Just cut up the garlic, then put the garlic inside. Good vibes. Vegetable soup, people. Yeah, vegetable soup. Good vibes. Alright, everyone, so look, we're just gonna add some scallion to our pot, people, yeah? Just leave the scallion nice and big. Make it just go and boil out, give flavour. You understand? And we're just starting to we've begun to cook, so you know, say it's a vegetable pot we're cooking, look. Adding some thyme, said way. Yeah, man, and you know, say we're working with the ginger as well, people, so we're gonna add some ginger to our pot as well. You understand, people? Yeah, man, look, the man them said they want exercise, you know, so man them exercise same way, people. Are good vibes. I don't know, what thing, you know. Vegetable soup, people. Big up yourself. Welcome to the program. If you haven't been on the program, if it's your first time on the program, thank you very much for coming through. Yeah, man, the adventures are starting, so just look out for more uploads, more regular uploads, everybody. You understand? Yeah, man. The essence of this soup that I'm cooking today, yeah, is just to build your body. You understand? We're coming out of that winter season and going into that spring season here in the UK. So as we're doing that transition, I just want to make sure that we've got the right food going into our bodies, people, yeah? You understand? A good vibes, and make sure that you're eating your 3 healthy meals a day, yeah? So that you've got the right nutrients going in your body, because we're what? We're hard-working people, you know? So you see,
you exercise, though.
Yeah, make sure you exercise as well, keep the blood flowing in your body, all them type of things, people, yeah? Look at that, Big Sam is just, Big Sam. You see that? I understand? Good vibes.
Pab, what you doing?
Paddy, what are you doing?
He's stretching.
What are you doing, Paddy?
He's stretching. Turn up.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. Good vibes.
Well in luck. Jeez.
Yes, people. So I got your sugar pea.
Yeah, come on.
I just want you quickly tell the people them in French. Welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen, and thank you very much for being here today.
Bonjour à toute l'audience de le monde global dont nous sommes. Donc, nous sommes accompagnés ici avec Ringo Vision. Comme vous savez, il est toujours actif, toujours en train d'opérer. Donc là, on va rentrer dans la saison du printemps et il prépare de la soupe qui est bon pour le corps. Donc là, on est avec lui. Il a 24-Hour Kitchen. Ça veut dire préparer 24 heures sur 24. Donc lui, il ne s'arrête pas. Il est comme une machine. Il travaille. Donc regardez et admirez. Look and admire.
All right, people. So as you hear Pavi telling you in French, let me just give you some patois, some language. You understand? We're there, so in an England said way. So look. What I'm doing now is adding the carrot to the pot, people. Yeah, it's a good vibes, and then I've also got the pumpkin in there already. I got the scallion in there. I got the garlic in there. I got the ginger in there as well, people. Yeah. So what I'm just gonna do is just gonna cover up the pot now and just make everything just go and do its own thing. people,
Marinate.
Yeah, man. Marinate.
Synchronize.
Marinate and synchronize. All right, everyone. So yeah, man. We got the dasheen, the yellow yam, the cocoa. So this is like more or less our last ingredients them that we're gonna be putting into our pot today, people, yeah. So I'm just gonna be just peeling the cocoa, people, yeah. A good vibe. You understand? Yeah, man, a papa good vibe, man. I like the cocoa, you know. The cocoa is one of them root vegetables there. These are all root vegetables that we're using today to cook with, people, yeah. As you can see, the three ingredients, the cocoa, the dasheen, and the yellow yam, people, yeah. Look at that, the cocoa's actually got like a purpley mauve color, a little touch to it as well. You understand, people, when you peel it? You understand? What does it taste like? It's got a softest texture, like when you're actually eating it. You understand? Yeah, man, a good vibe. So look at that. Yeah, man. Good vibes, you know?
Fully operating.
So look, you see my next ingredients that I'm gonna add to my pot as well is the yellow yam. But I'm gonna wait for the pot to go and boil up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna add the yam in about a couple minutes, about 5 minutes. But let me let everything just go and soak in. But we've got the yellow yam and we've got the dasheen left on deck, people. Yeah, are good vibes.
Hey.
Yeah, man, who likes a turnip? This is the turnip, people, yeah? We have to put the turnip in the soup, people, yeah? Because the turnip, every ingredients are carrying their own flavour, but yam don't really carry flavour, and cocoa and that don't really carry like a deep flavour to your pot. But you know, like the cocos and your thyme, your scallion, your ginger, your garlic, your pumpkin, they're actually flavour infusers for your pot, people, yeah? Good vibes. This is I miss a dashi in this, you know. Yeah, man, I miss a dashi in this, man. I love dasheen. Is one of my favorite root vegetables, people. Yeah, wow, I love a dasheen still. All right, people. So look, we've got the 2 all-purpose seasoning mix. So sugar pea, yeah. I want you to just open one of them, and we're gonna use one of them to use today, people. A fresh one. So we're showing you. Say this is what we cook with, everybody. Yeah, a good vibes. Yeah, man. Thank you. Smell that pea. Describe it for them, everyone, please.
Quel flair, quel flair. What a flair. The sense of the smell has a flair. You feel the texture in it. You feel like it's already stewed. And it hasn't been implemented into the food yet, as yet. Wow.
All right, people, are good vibes. Yeah, man, are good vibes. We're there. Good vibes.
Fully active.
All right, so this is like the last major root vegetable that we're using today, people, yeah, which is the yellow yam. All right, a good vibes. Look, come in. Look, yellow yam, you know. Yeah, man, put in the yellow yam in the pot, people. we're just cutting everything to a nice little size, you understand? Make them just go and boil. Because right now, after everything is slowly, as you can see that I'm just slowly putting everything in the pot, everyone here, one by one, slowly. So everything is getting boiled in different stages because everything didn't go in together, you understand? So the pumpkin went in first, and then what I'm gonna do now is just add the first Scotch bonnet to the pot, everybody. Yeah, man, that is it. We're not gonna burst it. We're just gonna leave it in there to just go and flavour in the thing, people, yeah? And we just give our pot a little stir, a good vibes. Wow, look at that. Yeah, man. So we're coming on, people. We're just gonna lock up right now and just let that just go and do its own thing. You understand? Big up yourself. You don't know where I'm going. We're there. 24-hour kitchen, people, yeah? Good vibes. You say?
Come on, man.
Hey, wait, so, hey, Sugar P, we're active.
We're active.
Hey, wait, we active.
Are we active?
Are we
Oh
active?
shit, we're active. Hey, we're outside, you know. Wait, where's that Ringo Vision? All purpose.
Come on.
The Ringo, listen, 24-hour kitchen, yeah? Listen, Ringo Vision, all purpose seasoning.
Everything clone.
Fucking
Just
hell,
make
come
your
on.
order.
Back.
Everything
back,
clone. Just
back.
make your order.
Get
This
it.
has gone viral. Everything clone. Just make your order. I'm talking about the ceiling. Actually, Google, innit? Google. Yeah, 1,000 zeros.
Hey, Google me. Google me.
Google me.
Google is the biggest figure you could ever get in the world. Because you've got the millions, then you've got the billions, then you've got the trillion, then you've got all the way up to the sextillion, septillion, decillion.
Then you got the
then-
reptilians.
It's Google. Yeah?
People, it's a good vibe. 24-hour kitchen, now we're outside, man. Big up yourself, get the seasoning, people. Yeah, you don't know, say the seasoning is the thing. Look, the pot's bubbling, you know. It's not even a joke. Look, we actually come out today, yeah. First outdoor adventure. And look, we had to get the shopping basket kitchen, people, yeah. It's not a joke thing. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Outside. Yeah, man. Papa found over west. We're on a yard, you know. Say, my this is all the reason, because we have to have the elder outside now, because the elder say, "Man, to come out." And say, Ringo, next time you come out, you know, Ringo, make sure say you make me know, say, so we have to bring out the elder today as well, people. Yeah, man, a good vibes. A good vibes. Yeah, a good vibe. Me just big up the island, man, tell the island, say, yeah.
man.
I'm
more up that, man.
Yeah, when you forward out, because we there all a dry, so you see it?
Yeah,
Everything is a jar, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Ringo Vision.
All right.
Say a word. Up that.
Oh, see the people? A good vibes, a good vibes. Oh, wow, look at that mad thing. Whoa, look, I'm telling you people, it's happening now. Look, the pot's bubbling up, people. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. If you can smell the aroma and the flavors coming, wow, best smoke, best smoke, best smoke. 24-hour kitchen. We're back in the traffic. And you don't know, so we are going to lock it, people, because I don't know, joke thing. Our good vibes. Yes, everybody, so our good vibes right now. So we reached that point now in the evening. Make we remove the pumpkin from out the pot, everybody, yeah? Our good vibes, our good vibe. Make we take out the pumpkin out the pot. That is it. So remember then we cut the pumpkin into three different pieces. Where's the next one? Come out. Where it is. Where I look for it, you know, where I find him. There he is. That is it. Okay, so as we've taken out the pumpkin, woo!
Hey, fully active.
All right, people, so look, let's just get the other ingredients in the pot now, which is the dasheen,
Splashy.
the okra,
Splashy.
and the turnip, people, yeah? All right, so look, let's cover back up. Final stage now, everybody, yeah? Come in with the camera. So this is what we do now, the pumpkin, look at that, nice, wow, nice and soft, everybody, just like that, simple. So we're gonna add this back into the pot now, everybody, yeah? Yeah, man. And this will actually be the color and create the body and that final flavor that we're actually looking for today, everybody. So our good vibes, yeah, man. It's a vegetable soup. You could even call it a pumpkin soup as well because we're using the pumpkin today, everyone. Look at that, wow. Can you see the color? Can you see the transformation instantly? The color is, the water is actually changing from that clear fluorescent color into this amazing reddish type of color, everybody, that we're all looking for. This is why we don't need to use any packet seasoning, like in the sense of cock soup or chicken soup or vegetable soup, because we'll create all of that naturally. You understand, people? Yeah, man. We have a natural way of creating everything. Add some water in the container, wash out the container, make sure that we get all the last bits of pumpkin, everybody. Look at that. You understand? Look, that's the color. Imagine if I used a lot of pumpkin, that's the color that would actually be working with. But you understand, people, as it dilutes into the water now, it will just blend in. So what we're gonna do is just gonna make this guan boil out, people, yeah? Big up yourself if you don't know what guan. 24-hour kitchen. That was the final ingredients to go into the pot. The pumpkin came out, the pumpkin went back in, and now we're gonna wait for the final stage, everybody, yeah? And let this boil for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then we're gonna take off the pot, people, yeah? Big up yourself for staying tuned with this episode. We're gonna go through the last stages where we eat the food and we go through the ingredients and what it tastes like. You don't know what I want, man. Just stay tuned. We've got a couple more minutes and then we're gonna be taking off this pot, people, yeah? Our good vibes. All right, everybody, so our good vibes, you know, look. Wow, look at this. Look at this, people. As we can see, the color is night time now, fully dark outside. A good vibe said way. We're still operating and active, but look at this, everyone. Yeah, man, the transformation is coming to almost a perfection. The ingredients them in the pot is just boiling up. You can see that we've got the color that we want, people, yeah? A good vibe. We're gonna just lock up and just wait for about the next 10 minutes and make things just go and boil now, people, yeah, because we're almost there. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen, people, yeah? Vegetable soup, a good vibes. Woo! We're still getting a fog, everybody, yeah? Smoke, steam. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Look, this is a vegetable soup, you know, everybody, yeah? This is what we're talking about, people, yeah? Like I said, it's night time now, but we'll come to that stage of almost completion. Completion, yes? A good vibes. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. Thank you very much, everybody that stayed tuned with this episode. Yeah, man, I'm gonna start to dish up now. A good vibes. Yeah, me have a double cup. All right, people, you see, let me make sure, so me have a double cup, you know, because, yeah, a good vibes. Look at this, coming. Wow. Well, go on, everybody. Thank you very much, people, yeah, for staying tuned with this episode. Yeah, man, it's been absolutely amazing just to come outside and do this all again, people, yeah. We're back in action. Today's the day that we kicked it back off outside, cooking. We've got the kitchen, you know, but I know I'm supposed to go into the new kitchen and everything, everybody, yeah, but I was gassed to actually come back outside and be out in nature and do the thing, people, yeah. And there's nothing mixing the type of food that we're cooking in nature right now, yeah, organic. It's organic, people, yeah. Everything in the pot is organic. Look at this. Wow, look. We've got the cho-cho. Look. This, I think this is the dasheen, carrot, turnip. Look, wait there, look. Yellow yam, pumpkin. A good vibes, you know, look. Let me get the okra them. Okra, beer okra, look, scotch bonnet pepper as well. Yeah, man. More turnip. Enough food in the cup, people, yeah? And then look, we just get a next cup now to do the job. Because we need to scoop up the water now, people, yeah? That is it. Look at that, wow. Thank you very much, everybody, yeah, for staying tuned with this episode. Papa! What I'm on this now? Yeah, good vibes.
A good vibe.
A good vibes, Papa. Alright. We have one more, yes, sir. If we deal with the next virgin. Yeah.
Ringo.
Yellow
I
yam.
don't know, I just take up this. Them up here, I do a travel with them now. Every day I go across, I take about half dozen of them.
No man, a good vibes. Yeah, travel with the right thing, Papa. Because look, you know, we are dealing with the soup.
Hot thing it need, you know.
Yeah.
Hot thing, you know. Hot cup them, you know.
Alright, see the virgin, you know.
I'm a general. Yeah,
Alright,
see
a
there?
good vibes.
Yeah, man. Up top, man. Mad.
We want to see the Antoine them there, you know, when you finish, you know, yeah?
Yeah, alright, respect, Papa.
Yeah. That's sure them give you Ringo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, everybody. So, a good vibes, you know. 24-hour kitchen. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Sugar P.
You over for me?
I'm gonna double up your cup. Choose a plastic one.
Very much appreciated, man.
You've been operating, so
You ready
there's
now?
your thing there.
It's on you right, it's on you right. It's on you right.
Yes, people. Look, everyone. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. You don't know what I go on. 24-hour kitchen. This one's been absolutely amazing. Look at it. Vegetable soup, completion. Everybody's happy. Pavi, give it a taste and we can know what I go on. Papa, oil soup, yes.
Rich thing. Yeah, man. A rich man.
Rich thing.
Rich up top, richness. And nothing, a wealthiness.
All right, do you hear that, people?
Wealthiness. That we say now. Yeah, man. Pass rich now. Wealthy up top. Yeah, man.
All right. Coming in wet, so good vibes. So we deal with wet, yes, all right now. Thank you very much, people, for staying tuned with this episode. Big up yourself. I'll see you again in a couple of days. A good vibes. Good vibes.